If you've come across tickunlocked.com and you're wondering whether it's actually legit, you're not alone. So, I decided to take a closer look. At first glance, tickunlocked.com may look like a simple service for TikTok users. The name itself sounds convincing, but that doesn't automatically mean the website is trustworthy. And this is where you need to be careful. I couldn't find enough strong, independent information to confidently say that tickunlocked.com is a proven and trustworthy service. There are also online warnings about websites using similar TikTok-related offers to collect personal information or payments. That doesn't automatically prove tickunlocked.com is a scam, but it does mean you should slow down before giving it your money or information. One major red flag with websites like this is when they ask for sensitive details, especially your TikTok password, verification codes, or recovery information. You should never give those details to an unfamiliar third-party website. Another thing I always check is the payment process. If a site asks you to pay a fee before you can supposedly unlock an account, withdraw money, or access some special feature, be very cautious. Scammers often use small upfront payments to build trust before asking for more. So, what's my verdict? I would not call tickunlocked.com fully verified or trustworthy based on the information currently available. I'd consider it high risk until more reliable evidence is available. If you're thinking about using it, do your research first. Check independent reviews. Look for a real company behind the website. And most importantly, never hand over your TikTok login details.